Sunday brunches for us always call for a fantastic salad gathered around with friends. While I've created so many, I always go back to one of my favorites. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as I take you through one of my favorite salads, watermelon, feta, pistachios coming together really well. This salad recipe is so simple that it doesn't really even warrant a recipe creation. So one watermelon cut into large dices going down, and it's all about just layering things together. Out here I've got some arugula lettuce sprinkled on top. Some more watermelon chunks on top. I just like the greens speckling through really well. And now it's time to season this. So we're going to season it with a fine sprinkle of some rosemary lavender sea salt, along with a 6-pepper medley, just to give it some kind of depth and beautiful character into this. With that done, it's now time to take some microgreens and sprinkle them on top. Generous splash of some extra virgin olive oil, just a fine drizzle on top. And this is something that I do that elevates this to the next level. So I've got some nice concentrated watermelon syrup that I just pour on top to give it more of that watermelon-y goodness coming together. So just put that entire thing. And it's time to garnish. Such a fantastic, easy creation. About 50 grams of saltwater feta, large chunks of it on top. Just throw them in, and I like to put the feta at the end so that the white and red shines through really well. Nuts of choice out here, although are often pine nuts, I always style it up either with some pistachios or some hazelnuts or some pecan nuts as well. Just sprinkle nearly 30 grams on top and you have a brunch-worthy salad ready in 5 minutes flat. While I go and mingle with my guests, I'm just going to chill this for an hour, elevating it to the next level. An hour of chilling this and we are ready to brunch. I hope you enjoyed creating this simple yet such a stylish, gorgeous creation with me. The flavors are perfect for a Sunday ritual. Don't forget to share notes of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.